Hi guys, and this tutorial is about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to hide all of your liked videos on TikTok. So let's go to this app. Right now we are on our profile page, and today we will show you how to make this section, as you can see, this section secret, that no one can check it. So let's tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen and go to the settings and privacy option. Right now let's tap on the privacy, and of course you can make your account private. In this way no one can check this info, but of course you have another way. Just go to the liked videos section and tap on the dot opposite the only me option to hide this section from others and make it secret, as I said. So right now, to save these changes, let's tap on the arrow at the top one more time and one more time. So let's go to the main profile page list and refresh it after swiping to the bottom of the screen. So as you can see, right now we have another icon of this liked videos section because it's hidden and no one can see it, but only you, besides you. So guys, if you like this tutorial and if this short video was useful, don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and of course on TikTok. Good luck!